Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
All you want to do, be outside. Louie. Oh my goodness. Louie, Papi. Papi, Louie. Look at him. Do not care about me. Louie, look. Look. I'm in New York, finally. Me and Louie are about to go to a cafe. You'll probably hear him coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come here. Come, puppy. We're gonna go to the cafe together. I want to get out and I want him to get out. I don't like him to be inside too much because he just gets a little bit of a cabin fever and he sleeps all day, and I don't want him to be lazy. I want him to be an active dog. So we're gonna go to the cafe. The cafe actually is called Boris and Horton. It's a pet-friendly cafe, and they do have like treats for him and toys for him, so I'm gonna bring him there so he can kind of like commingle with other dogs as well. I'm going to get me some food. I'm gonna get me some coffee, get me some tea. I have been a little under the weather since I've been here, but I'm fine. Let's head into the city. Come on, Louie, let's go. All right, gotta get an Uber. Come on, puppy. We gotta find an Uber.
Shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always take come through for real. After this time I'll be through for real.
This looks so good. And then Louie's having too much fun without me, so I gotta try latte. Oh my god! Louie is like bullying these dogs because they don't want to be his friend. They don't want to be your friend. You can't bully people into being your friend. Telling on Louie to his dad. Telling his dad that he's too hyper and that these dogs don't want to be his friend, and you can't bully people into being your friend. He do not care.
Three hours later.
If you insist. Hi.
sandwich is ready.
Thank you. Try this grilled cheese. This matcha lemonade is so good.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What do you want?
Alright, made it back home. Louie had a busy day. Louie is like laying down because he isn't completely tired from the cafe. But the cafe was so good. They had a grilled cheese sandwich that was absolutely amazing. It had fig in it. Oh my god, chef's kiss. I'm tired, but tomorrow we're going out with my friend Vianney, so you guys will get to see Vianney, and you guys get to see where we get to go because we're going to go out to lunch. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Come on, let's go inside, Bobby. Let's go. On this side? Thank you. Leah told her that we're having lunch with you, and she was like, "Oh my god, yeah!" So I'm gonna tell you. Yes. Yes. Can I have the beef brisket?
The brisket, yes.
Can I have the side of the corn cheese, right? With the corn cheese.
Cheese.
Can I have the steamed eggs?
Yes.
And then what do I want again? You want rice?
Yes, I wanted to do the chicken teriyaki, pickled jalapenos. Yum! Let us sizzle.
Oh my goodness. They almost bought.
No.
They just moved to Orlando.
They just moved to Orlando.
They took her on vacation.
Damn. Why these men can be consistent?
Period.
Yes. Salud.
Let me see what drink. Oh, it's good?
See, juice. Korean spy or Japanese spy, and I get a cocktail. It's like, oh, it don't taste much. It don't taste strong. And then next thing you know,
Like 4 or 5 in.
they're like, too lit for my own good. But I was like, I love it. I love these type of jobs, but we need to expedite them funds, you know. Especially here, I want to try this kimchi. I haven't tried kimchi, and I always see it online. Dang, like so scary. But a part of me loves it though because it's like I could take the train and I'm in a whole different like part of town. You know? Like I took the train here and I was gonna walk, but then I got off at the wrong stop.
Cause I was gonna walk here because it's not too far.
The puppy you were posting, that's
He's gonna be fine. He's at home. Food was so good.
here. You wanna do it outside?
We could do it right here. We still need to take our picture though. bad lighting too.
You get money.
Y'all, it's the next day. I am going out to eat with my cousin, so I'm meeting up with her. It's this place called Sugar Free, and I'm excited because my boo said it's a good place to eat, so we're gonna try this out and see if I like it. The boo let me borrow the whip, so I didn't have to catch a taxi or an Uber, which is amazing. But I'm gonna say see my cousin. I haven't seen my cousin in so long, so it'll be a good time. And plus, I've never been here. My boo said this has some really good food over here, so we're gonna see if the food is good. So I'll see y'all when I get there.
Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. I paid enough for petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes. Since I was 10, love dirty men alike. Ooh, let the day then get today. Ooh.
When I tell y'all, I came at the perfect time to New York because it's not cold. It's like a little chilly. I can still wear my little, you know, summertime dresses, but it's also not too hot. It's like the perfect weather right now in New York, and I'm loving it. I'm not a New York girl. I know I'm from Miami, from the 305, rep it till I die, but New York is slightly growing on me, like slightly. I heard this food is like Louisiana Cajun Southern food, which I'm from the South, so I can't wait to eat the food. I can't wait. So let's go check inside.
Oh, the sausage is mine. Yeah, sausage. Thank you. No sausage. Perfect. Go right. Yes, for the young lady right here.
Come on, SZA. Tonight was perfect. And I'm on my way home to go eat my banana ice cream. But it is what it is. I had a great time with my cousin. The food was absolutely amazing at Super Freak. So if you're ever in New York, go ahead and try out Super Freak because the food is so good. The cornbread was popping. The cornbread was popping. I think it goes because I had so much fun with my cousin. Like, I haven't seen her in years, and she's gonna be in Florida next weekend, so I get to see her. But I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and get all this off my face. So I will see y'all tomorrow.
I never thought of me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the lowest. Crazy, you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh,